What's up, guys? Today we're gonna take a look at this soccer ball that's on fire, and it only took me 50 minutes to do. That's before editing this video. And I'm gonna go ahead and start knocking it down with the 50 cal clipper by Caliber, and they use the same guards as wall. So right now I'm hitting it with a number 2. But if you get their other clippers, the 357 Magnums, they do come with red premium guards, which I found really cool. I just wanted to show you these guards real quick. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and fade down the hair to a 1.5. And we're not gonna really do the entire haircut yet. We're just getting the hair short so that we can use this right here. We're gonna use the hair design stencil. And the hair design stencil is gonna let us draw whatever design we want. In this case, I'm stuttering. The soccer ball, bam. So we're gonna use that picture right there that we had. And I kind of used this tiny little bit of gel to get a perfect circle, but you don't need to do that. I kind of felt like I didn't need to do that after doing it. Could have just eyeballed it. And we're gonna do a semicircle, and on the back portion, we're gonna go ahead and freestyle the fire design. And I'm just kind of using a picture reference to, more or less perfectly try and place all the lines as I'm drawing them. It's just for referencing purposes. But this design is very easy, guys. Anyone can do it. It's honestly not that hard at all. And if you don't like what you drew, it comes off, it erases. So right now I'm doing the fire, and I end up not liking the bottom portion. So just put some aftershave on a neck strip, or even just water alone will help remove the hair design stencil's ink. And then you can just draw it all over again. But yeah, just make sure that the hair is dry. The hair just has to be dry, so use your blow dryer and dry the hair, and then you can draw it again, just like I am right now. I didn't like the first drawing, so I'm changing up that fire right there on the tail. And now I'm gonna end up using the trimmers a little bit. Now all these lines I'm gonna put in the fire, I kind of half-assed it on purpose. But I figured, the back kind of fades away. This kid kept watching the TV. Like, you don't even understand. Oh my god. Anyways. Yeah, pretty much just gonna let the music ride for a little bit, and yeah, we'll get back to you in a bit. So we're done doing the design, with the stencil. Now we're actually balding it. We already did the outside, trimming the outside. Now we're gonna do the inside. And I would really recommend that you guys have your clients make an appointment with you. Even if you're not a normal, type of appointment only type of guy, please have your customers make an appointment with you, even if it's just for your last haircut of the day. Have your customer make an appointment for you, because this design, it only took me 50 minutes. It took me less than an hour. But let's be realistic. This could take someone else an hour and 30 minutes. Just to be safe, have your customers make an appointment. Set up the time, that way you're not rushing for the next haircut, and just make them your last haircut of the day. So yeah, we're pretty much done. Trimming it with the trimmers now. Now we're actually using the razor blade. I'm using the detailed Barber's blade holder, and we're gonna end up fading away from this haircut right here. And now we're just gonna go ahead and start shaving the inside. I did put shaving gel. I'll show you guys what shampoo blades look like. They are my favorite razor blades of all time. These are my favorite razor blades, and here, that's what they look like. They're on the website detailedbarbers.com. My favorite razor blades. Very, very smooth shaves. Very smooth. And yeah, man, we're pretty much almost done shaving it, and man, this kid likes to watch this TV. Like, keep your head still, okay? I had a hard time cutting this kid's hair. I like the kid, but man, this movie had his attention so much. And I'm gonna admit it, guys, this design could have came out better on my end, you know. I could have done a much better looking soccer ball, but this kid was just watching the TV so many times, and he kept moving and fiddling around. And man, I'll just tell you what, you know, he just kept on watching that TV and I kept on having to move his head. And man, I'll just tell you, if he wasn't watching that TV, oh my God, I probably would have done a better design. But you know, his mom was happy with it. Now we're gonna go ahead, and, you know, he's gonna pay for it, man. He's gonna pay for it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, aftershave. Yes. Yes, feel the burn. Yes. Oh, yes, it burns. Feel it. So, now we can go ahead and add a little bit of black on the outline. You know, we are using Graphitech color pencils, and we're gonna go ahead and add black. You know, everywhere where black goes on the soccer ball. And then we're gonna add white, and then on the flames we are gonna add the you know, some yellow and orange and red colors for fire. And you know, just take your time. This is my favorite part. This is like a coloring book. So yeah, just take your time, take it easy. Not much else to say here. I mean, you're just coloring it. So I'll be back, I guess. Alright, we're done. I went ahead and smudged the colors in a little bit, especially by the fire, and this kid was really happy with his design. He really liked it, even though I burned him just like his soccer ball with the aftershave. He was real happy with the design. His mom was happy, his brother was happy. And guys, this is how you do designs with the hair design stencil. You'll be able to just blueprint the design before you actually do it. It helps you avoid, you know, making any mistakes. And yeah, man, it just makes, you know, life a lot easier when it comes to designs. So make sure you guys check out the website detailedbarbers.com. Follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit that like button. It really does help the channel a lot. And yeah, I'll show you guys a few more of my designs. So yeah, man, peace. Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you guys want to check out some stainless steel combs, go to the website. I got blade holders too, a few other stuff, more stuff coming soon. Thanks, man. Peace.